Alright everybody, just now I am making this kind of video for improving my English skill. Yeah. So just now you can see that I am standing in front of dozen of little child. They are very interested to make this kind of video with me. So actually I have had a habit making this video with a dozen of childs. Yeah, just now lot of little brother they are coming. They are coming in front of camera like. It is reality at the time of video making. Some people they come suddenly in front of camera because this is a time of digital time, so every wants to adapt the virtual life, like every people using a online Facebook, YouTube. So that's why I think that they are very interested to come in front of camera. So just now I am asking some question with a little child. Yeah, dozen of child. They are very enjoy with me, as well as like before making this kind of video. They was playing cricket, as well as they was playing badminton, as well as yeah, our traditional is a cricket is very famous in this Bangladesh. So that's why they are every single day try to be a good player, like Rubel Hossain, Nasir Hossain, as well as some good player of Bangladesh. So it is Tamim Iqbal. Okay, my brother also okay, actually, okay, I think that
MS Dhoni.
okay. I think that everyone's have a huge of dream to be a super player. Like he have a like habit of Rubel Hossain, MS Johnny. So he has a Johnny. Like always, they are trying cricket in front of my house. This field is located in front of my house, very near. So every single day they are playing cricket with a huge of excitement. So I think that it quite well for everyone. So just now I am asking some question with little brother. Hey, তোমার নাম কি বলো?
Jubair.
মিস্টার
Mr. Jubair.
জোরে বলো
Mr. Jubair.
Okay, he's telling that his name is Mr. Jubail Hossain. He's a little boy, as well as he like to very much bike, as well as like to make this kind of video. At the time of making video, he come in front of me. So guys, I hope you will accept this matter easily, because just I am making this video for practicing purpose. So hope to see you soon.